I don't know what I'm doing with my money. I don't know where to start, and honestly, I feel like I'll never figure it out. Bills pile up, paychecks disappear, and everywhere I look, it feels like everyone else has the secret while I'm just stuck. If that sounds familiar, you're not alone. Most people think wealth is about luck, talent, or working harder, but that mindset is exactly what keeps you broke. I've spent years studying financial psychology, money habits, and how billionaires actually think, and the truth is shocking. It's not about earning more, it's about thinking differently. Imagine turning those tiny, consistent choices into real freedom, like knowing exactly where your money goes, stacking habits that grow wealth automatically, and finally feeling in control. By the end of this video, you'll discover the first actionable step most people completely overlook, the one that flips your money mindset from stressed and reactive to confident and in control. So stick with me, because if you keep scrolling, nothing changes, but if you pay attention for the next few minutes, you might finally see money the way it was meant to work for you, and not the other way around. Everyone's talking about chasing the next big investment or side hustle, but Warren Buffett nails it: start with what you know. If you're obsessed with gaming, maybe your first venture is streaming, creating guides, or even investing in gaming stocks. The key is clarity. When you understand your playground, you can make smarter choices without feeling lost in the chaos. Finance tips aren't just numbers, they start with knowing your own field. Think about it like Tony Stark in Iron Man. He didn't start building weapons he didn't get, he leveraged his genius and tools he understood. Same goes for your money mindset. When you pick opportunities in familiar territory, you avoid mistakes and reduce stress. That's financial psychology in action. Confidence comes from mastery, not luck. Even if your field seems small, it's powerful. Someone who loves cooking could start a small side hustle delivering homemade meals or creating an online recipe course. It's all about applying personal finance principles where you already have insight. And trust me, this builds habits that stick because it's natural, not forced. Little wins compound into big freedom over time. Now, don't shy away from learning new things, but anchor first in what feels intuitive. You're not guessing, you're expanding. Netflix shows like The Queen's Gambit show how understanding your own strengths can turn a passion into mastery. Similarly, knowing your money moves keeps you grounded and growing steadily. So, start small, start smart, and lean on your strengths. It's not about overcomplicating things with fancy strategies. It's about consistent, understandable steps that build your money habits. And in the next step, you'll see why tracking every dollar you spend can flip your financial control completely, and it's simpler than most people think. Before you dream about big investments or side hustles, you gotta know where your money is actually going. For 1 month, track every single expense, yes, even that $3 coffee or the late-night Uber. This habit isn't boring, it's the first step to real control over your finances. Financial education starts with awareness, and awareness starts with numbers. It's like in Breaking Bad, well, minus the illegal stuff, but think about Walter meticulously measuring everything. When you see your spending patterns laid out, you get clarity on waste, opportunity, and priorities. Suddenly, that random subscription you forgot about becomes cash for building your money mindset. It's about habits, not luck. Tracking money gives you options. Imagine if Peter Parker tracked every expense like he tracked his Spider-Man missions. You'd see exactly where your money could go instead of disappearing. Financial psychology proves that seeing the flow of money changes behavior, and little shifts here create huge results down the line. Start simple: pen and paper, a spreadsheet, or apps like Mint or an app. Pick what works for you and stick to it. Don't just track, it's about reflection. Compare weeks, notice trends, and think, where can I cut back or invest? These tiny insights build long-term habits that compound your wealth over years. Once you're tracking every dollar, you'll naturally start paying yourself first. That's the next step, and it flips the game entirely. Imagine having a system where your savings grow automatically, almost like watching a favorite show like Shark Tank, but for your money. You'll see how small changes now can create massive freedom later. The moment you get paid, don't just pay bills, pay yourself first. Set aside at least 10% of your income, no excuses. Think of it like your personal financial armor. Treat it as non-negotiable. Financial psychology shows that habits like this build long-term freedom and a solid money mindset from day one. It's like in The Pursuit of Happiness. Chris Gardner didn't let challenges stop him from saving and investing in his future. Every dollar he allocated wisely was a step toward financial independence. You can do the same with your paycheck. Start small, stay consistent, and watch the magic of compounding take over. When you pay yourself first, bills, friends, and lifestyle upgrades can wait. You're creating a safety margin, just like Warren Buffett recommends. Over time, this habit makes you feel untouchable, financially confident even when the unexpected happens. It's habits that stick, not random bursts of discipline. Practical tip: automate your savings if you can. Direct deposit 10% into a high-yield savings or investment account. Treat it like any other fixed expense. Netflix's Emily in Paris might glamorize spending, but you'll feel way more empowered watching your savings grow instead of burning through cash on whims. Once paying yourself first becomes automatic, you'll be ready to harness the insane power of compound growth. And trust me, even if it feels small now, like $5 a week, time will multiply it beyond what feels possible. Up next, we'll dive into how compound growth can turn tiny consistent actions into life-changing wealth. You don't need a fortune to start building wealth, just consistency. Even $5 or $50 a week, invested wisely, will grow faster than you imagine thanks to compound growth. Think of it like planting a tree. Small seeds now lead to shade and fruit later. That's how strong money habits work: slow, steady, unstoppable. Warren Buffett started investing at 11 years old, and time was his secret weapon. It's not luck, it's patience and repetition. Kind of like Rocky training for a fight: small, consistent reps build massive results. Your personal finance journey works the same way. Compound growth rewards commitment, not impulsive plays. Start with what you understand: stocks, ETFs, or a retirement account like a Roth IRA. Even micro-investing apps like Acorns or Stash let you practice. The point is consistency. Watch your small wins multiply while you sleep. That's financial psychology in action. Behavior over hype creates real wealth. Movies like The Social Network show how small actions accumulate into huge impact. Zuckerberg didn't launch Facebook with millions, he built it bit by bit. Same with money. Compound growth is the secret behind wealth that feels effortless because it's really disciplined, persistent effort stacked over time. Once you grasp compounding, knowledge becomes your next superpower. Reading 30 minutes a day about money will multiply your understanding just like compounding money multiplies wealth. And speaking of reading, the next step shows how one new insight a day can transform your financial path faster than you think. Buffett spends 80% of his day reading, and that's no coincidence. Knowledge compounds like money. Even just 30 minutes a day on books, articles, or annual reports can shift your entire financial mindset. Think of it as feeding your brain the fuel it needs to make smarter money moves and develop habits that last. Start with classics like Rich Dad Poor Dad, The Intelligent Investor, or even newsletters from financial gurus. It's not just theory, it's actionable advice you can implement immediately. Watching a series like Billions can also show the mental strategies and psychological games that the rich play. Apply the lessons to your own finances. Reading builds awareness of your options. Suddenly, you'll see opportunities you missed before. It's like watching the Queen's Gambit. Every little insight, every strategy, stacks until you're a master. With financial education like this, your habits shift naturally, making it easier to save, invest, and make money wisely. Make it a daily ritual: morning coffee, lunch break, or before bed. Even small bursts add up. Personal finance isn't about random inspiration, it's about consistent learning. Your mindset changes when you see patterns, strategies, and opportunities clearly, and habits become second nature. As your financial knowledge grows, you'll start avoiding fast money traps and hype effortlessly. That's the next step: learning how to dodge flashy schemes while building steady, sustainable wealth. And trust me, the lessons you learn here will make that process feel natural and almost automatic. It's easy to get caught up in the hype: crypto FOMO, meme stocks, flashy influencers showing off lumbos. But real wealth isn't about trends, it's about slow, steady growth. Financial psychology proves that chasing quick money often backfires. Focus on building habits and strategies that last, not the latest shiny distraction. Think about the Wolf of Wall Street. Jordan Belfort's crazy rise was thrilling, but most of it ended in disaster. Fast money can burn fast. By staying disciplined, avoiding comparison, and ignoring the hype, you protect your financial future. Habits like this separate the wealthy from the stressed-out dreamers. Comparison kills progress. Just because your friend is flipping NFTs or pulling six figures from day trading doesn't mean it's your path. Even in shows like Suits, characters who focus on their strategy consistently outperform those chasing flashy wins. Personal finance is personal. It's about your own journey, not someone else's highlight reel. Instead, celebrate small wins and growth. Track progress, invest consistently, and build systems that automate your wealth. Your financial education compounds over time, creating habits that the hype can't touch. It's boring, but boring works, and boring builds empires. Once you lock in slow and steady, the next level is all about guarding your mind and words. Because the way you think and talk about money can either build wealth or tear it down. And trust me, that next step might just be the most powerful of all. The words you speak shape your reality, literally. The Bible says, "The tongue has the power of life and death," and financial psychology backs it up. Negative talk about money limits your mindset. Start thinking abundance, not scarcity. Say, "I can build this wealth," instead of "I'll never get ahead," and watch how your money habits shift. Even your inner dialogue counts. Picture the pursuit of happiness. Chris Gardner had to constantly affirm his worth and possibilities while facing insane challenges. That mental discipline kept him moving forward. The same applies to your finances. What you believe, you achieve, and it starts with language and mindset. Avoid phrases like "I'm bad with money" or "I'll never afford that." Replace them with statements of intent. "I'm learning how to make money smarter," or "I'm building habits that create freedom." Personal finance isn't just numbers, it's a mental game, and your words are the rules of that game. Practical tip: journal your money affirmations, visualize goals, and repeat them daily. Imagine your mindset as the engine of a luxury car. Without the right fuel, no speed, no direction. Shows like Suits demonstrate how confident speech and mindset open doors that raw skill alone can't. Mastering your words and thoughts creates a foundation for everything else: investing, saving, spending wisely, and building financial freedom. And once you lock that in, you'll see how starting with what you understand feels effortless, looping perfectly back to step one, creating unstoppable momentum for your money mindset. Remember how overwhelming it felt to not know where to start? Now you've taken the first real steps: tracking your money, paying yourself first, learning compound growth, reading daily, avoiding hype, and guarding your mind. You've already begun building habits that actually stick, shifting your mindset from stress and confusion to clarity and control. That's huge progress. Think about your future self, relaxed and confident, making smart money decisions without panic. That's the power of developing a strong money mindset and solid financial habits. Personal finance doesn't have to be scary, it can be empowering. Hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications to keep leveling up your money game every single week. And if you want to accelerate your journey, check out Holistic Health. Nourish your mind, balance your finances, transform your life. This program shows you exactly how to create passive income streams, eliminate debt, and maintain mental clarity under financial pressure. It's practical, step by step, and designed for real people who want real results. Click the link in the pinned comment now and start transforming your finances today. It's your time. Check out the material in the pinned comment and see how small daily habits, financial education, and mental clarity can totally reshape your relationship with money. Don't wait, your future self will thank you.